Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, so here in this question we have given the kV value is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6, and from here we can calculate the pKv, that is minus log of kV, that is minus log of 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is equal to 6 minus log of 1.6, and it will be equal to the pKv value, that is 5.796, and as you know that pKa plus pKb is equal to 14, and from here we can calculate the pKa value, that is 14 minus the pKb value, that is 5.796, and here we will get it is equal to 8.204, and as written above, at a half equivalence point pH of the solution is equal to the pK value. So here the pH will be equal to the pKa, that is equal to 8.204. So this is the final answer for this question. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.